Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show how Sparrow works with complex documents like financial statements, and I'll show how I'm using Sparrow to pre-process or use a hybrid approach to improve Vision LLM output to make sure there are no hallucinations when I'm passing through OCR text, which is converted into special format and is being sent together with the image to the Vision LLM for the processing. And when we send actual text from OCR with image, it seems it helps Vision LLM to do processing, and it helps to output correct text and build correct relationships between the fields, and basically build correct structure of the output data in a JSON format. So let's see how this works. I'll switch here to the full screen. Okay, first of all, this functionality that I'm talking today is experimental. It's not on the GitHub at the moment. I'm testing this locally. It's not available yet on Sparrow Online instance. This might just say work in progress. Alright, so we got here, I'm using Mistral Small 3.1 24 billion parameter model, and this is the JSON file with OCR data, and this is the query that I'm executing for this specific example. I'm fetching asset name, price 1 and price 2. Let's look into actual document. This is the document, which is the financial statement of Oracle Corporation, publicly available document. And so we have in the first column we got description, then there's a price column 1 and price column 2. So we are fetching basically 3 columns in this request. Right, and then if you look in code, in the first call, I'll not pass any OCR data. I'll just execute a plain query with the image, which will be sent to Vision LLM for processing. And this is the input image and the query. And it's important thing here, I'm using improved image. This is also part of Sparrow experimental Sparrow pre-processing logic, which is not also on the GitHub at the moment. And what it does, this pre-processing, it detects the table, and then it draws horizontal and vertical lines, creates table grid. And it seems, based on my extensive testing for the complex tables, with this kind of pre-processing, it helps Vision LLM by far to improve the output. And it helps to avoid hallucinations, not 100%, but it helps to improve the output quite significantly. Okay, so we'll use this improved image that comes out of the Sparrow pre-processing. Right, and so let's execute the query, and I'll show, because this document is quite large, I'll not wait until all the document data will be extracted. We'll stop earlier at some point when I'll point you to hallucination case. Right, and okay, so this runs. By the way, we're using here tables only true extraction. This means only a table is automatically located and extracted from this page. Okay, we start to get output. Now let's switch to the document. Okay, and you can see this is the first line, 11,613,9665, which is correct. And this one, third line with very long text. We get, for the price 1, we get 6,514. But if you look into the document itself, we'll here have 6,519. For some reason, this item is being hallucinated, this specific one. For the next one, total current assets. No, the next one is prepaid expenses and other current assets. We got 3,564, which is correct, and second price 3,902, which is also correct. But this price is incorrect. And for that item, the second price is 6,915, correct, but the first one, this one is not. So we can stop the processing, no need to extract other data. And obviously I was testing this before, and if you would wait till the end, then in the same response there are some other hallucinations as well towards the end of the output. But this one is obvious, so instead of 6,519 we get for some reason 6,514. Okay, so now let's enable the context where we pass OCR data, and this is the OCR data over here. It's the full text, then there are blocks with coordinates and with the text box. So I'm also doing some sort of pre-processing. I'm sorting out horizontally and vertically all the coordinates, all the blocks, and I'm constructing the raw text out of all blocks, and I'm sending this to the Vision LLM as the context. Okay, we'll see this in a moment. So we'll use sorted regions pre-processing and prompt type structured, and we will not include coordinates. Based on my testing, in most of the cases, there is no need to pass coordinates from OCR to Vision LLM. It's enough to pass the text structure itself. Okay, and over here we'll construct the prompt and output the prompt. And then instead of using original query, we'll use modified query with this updated prompt. Okay, now let's re-execute the same thing. And now this is the actual prompt which is being constructed. We are saying that we're passing OCR data from the OCR. This is the query and instructions where we instruct Vision LLM model to pay attention as a priority to our text from OCR, not for the text that Vision LLM detects, and use Vision LLM to identify structure only. Okay, now it runs, started to output, and let's see for the same item number 3 with the long text, so if this value will be correct now or not. Yeah, now it's correct. It's price 1 is 6,519. And we can stop at this point. And yeah, we can also look for 6,5 times 19. So this is the actual value from the OCR. And this text was included into the prompt, and because all the text prompt was sorted, and it kind of represented the actual document structure, so Vision LLM was able to pick up correct value for the specific output, and instead of using a hallucinated value 6,514 like it did in initial test, it was using correct value 6,519 because like a hint, all the text was supplied together with the image. Right, so this is the my approach, and it's experimental. So what I'm adding in the Sparrow is first is image pre-processing for the complex tables. I'm drawing grid. This helps to process the tables more efficiently with local open source LLMs such as Mistral. Then second thing, I'm using OCR data as additional context information when the query is executed with Vision LLM. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned till the next time. So thanks and bye.